If you need to connect Calendly with Microsoft Outlook, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step so your availability stays synced and your meetings get booked without any extra hassle. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to link your Outlook calendar to Calendly, choose the right calendar, and finish the connection properly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Availability. This is where Calendly lets you manage the calendar connections and scheduling settings that control when people can book time with you. If you've never set this up before, don't worry, it's very straightforward. Next, inside the Availability section, click Calendar Settings. This is the area where you can connect and manage calendars from different services. You may see several options available depending on what accounts you use. Calendly typically gives you choices like Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, or Exchange Calendar, so make sure you pick the one that matches your Microsoft account setup. Now select Outlook Calendar from the list of available options. This is the key step that tells Calendly you want to sync with Microsoft Outlook rather than another calendar service. After selecting it, click Connect. Calendly will then start the authorization process and redirect you to sign in with your Microsoft Outlook account. Enter your Microsoft login details and sign in to the account that contains the calendar you want Calendly to use. Once you're logged in, Microsoft will ask you to authorize Calendly. At this point, click Accept to give Calendly permission to access your calendar information. This permission is important because it allows Calendly to check your availability and add new events automatically when someone books a meeting with you. If prompted, choose the specific Outlook calendar you want Calendly to use. This part matters if you have more than one calendar connected to your Microsoft account. You want to be sure you're selecting the calendar that should show your availability and receive new bookings. In some cases, you may also be asked which calendar should be used for checking conflicts, so take a moment to confirm the right one before moving forward. After that, click Save or Finish to complete the setup. Calendly may take a moment to confirm the connection, but once it's done, your Outlook calendar should now be linked successfully. From this point on, Calendly can check your Outlook availability in real time and schedule meetings based on the times you've opened up. To make sure everything is working correctly, it's a good idea to go back and verify that your calendar is showing the right availability. If you need to adjust anything later, you can always return to calendar settings and update your connected calendar or preferences. That's one of the best things about Calendly. Once it's set up, it makes scheduling much easier and saves you from having to manually coordinate every meeting. So that's how to integrate Calendly with Microsoft Outlook in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more how-to videos, and let me know in the comments what software tutorial you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.